Man, this is awesome. Finally getting off of work. Z's been sitting out here waiting on me to thrive. Looking really good. Woo! Some more stuff coming to the Z. I'm excited for it. Whoops, my jacket's falling. So dark. I don't know why I keep saying no key. I think it's because my key fob battery is low. This is crazy. Even though I got my keys right here. But yeah. What a day! Let's take this down. Give me a sec. Yo, so I have so much stuff coming to the Z. It's ridiculous. I don't know. I'm just sitting here trying to think, what am I gonna do first? What install is gonna be the next install? And as far as that, I'm still looking at a few things, a few options that I'm looking. I'm still looking at a few options of what I want to do with the Z. As far as I know, I have 1 to 2 things ordered, and I'm ready to slap them on there. As bad as I want to, I don't know if I want to do remote tune or take it to the dyno tune. Now that's still in thought of what I really want to do. And you know, there's a shop down here that I'm like very hesitant to go to get my car tuned, but I also want to take it to another place to get it tuned. There's just so many options out here. My little worrisome is doing the remote tuning wrong, but I have to be really stupid to do it wrong, because I feel like that as much research I've done, and you know, I know a lot of people out there are doing like a video over it. It sounds very simple, but you know, doing something for the first time, it's kind of like, am I going to do it right? Just like working on a car, like you feel like that you're going to do it right because how easy it is, and it becomes a 8-hour job instead of a 30-minute job or an hour. But there's so much stuff that I want to do, and I'm just trying to keep my options open. And I know right now the way finance is looking, it's just trying to stay within budget. We're in the middle of trying to get a shop open, which should be open probably in the next few weeks to a month. And just so much stuff to do. It's ridiculous. And I've just been so busy trying to get a lot done. Car sort of sounded different. Okay. But as far as that, I have a lot more things to do. All right, guys, I'm going to make this video short. Sorry to make it so short. It's just not a lot of stuff to, you know, talk about for today. I've just been busy nonstop trying to get a lot done. I'm ready to take my butt home from being off of work. It's just been a really long day. And sorry, I look a little dark. I don't know. Like, I don't know if this camera's got good lighting or what, but yeah. Oh, as far as that, I'm really loving the iPhone. I've always been with the Android, and I think iPhone has won me over so far. This is crazy. I can't believe I'm actually saying this, but iPhones are not bad at all. But you always want to get out here and try something new. You never want to stick with just as is. Just get out here and try something new. You never know if you're going to like it. And hey, you learn something as you move on and go forward in life. So, all right, guys, I don't want to bore y'all too much. Y'all take care. Peace and love. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys.